Ever taken off your shoes after a long day and thought, whoa, what happened to my ankles? You're definitely not alone. Swollen feet and ankles happen to a lot of us from standing too long, sitting too much, pregnancy, or even certain health conditions. And let's be real, it's not just a little annoying, it can make walking painful, shoes unbearable, and overall just make you feel blah. The good news? You don't have to pop pills every time this happens. There are some super simple, natural ways to get that swelling down, fast. Let's break it down. Here are 5 natural remedies that actually work, and you can do them right from your couch. 1. Drink more water. Yes, seriously, I know. It sounds kind of backwards, right? If you're already feeling puffy, why add more water? But here's the deal. When you don't drink enough water, your body panics and starts hoarding every drop it can, like a camel, which leads to even more swelling. Keeping yourself well hydrated helps your body flush out excess salt and toxins that make swelling worse. Plus, it keeps your circulation and lymph system running smoothly, which are key to keeping your feet happy. Quick tip, aim for 8-10 glasses a day, and bump that up if it's hot or you're moving a lot. 2. Put your feet up, literally. This one's easy and feels amazing. Elevate your feet. After a long day, kick back and prop those feet above heart level. Why? Gravity helps the fluid drain back up toward your core instead of pooling in your ankles. Try doing this for 20-30 minutes a couple of times a day. Throw on a good show or scroll TikTok. Just make sure those feet are chilling on a few pillows. You'll feel lighter and way less sore. 3. Soak it off with Epsom salt. Let's talk foot baths. Not just a spa treat. Soaking your feet in warm water with Epsom salt can seriously reduce swelling and ease tension. Epsom salt is basically magnesium sulfate, which helps pull out excess fluid and calms inflammation. It's like giving your feet a warm hug. DIY it. Mix about half a cup of Epsom salt into a basin of warm water, stir it up and soak for 15-20 minutes. Do this a few times a week. Bonus points if you light a candle and make it a mini spa moment. 4. Try compression socks. Okay, they may not be the sexiest wardrobe piece, but compression socks are lifesavers when it comes to swelling. They gently squeeze your legs just enough to keep blood flowing in the right direction. Up, not down. That means less fluid pooling and less puffiness in your feet and ankles. Pro tip, look for a pair with a compression level of 15-20 mm for mild swelling, and go for breathable fabric so your legs stay comfy all day. 5. Boost your magnesium intake. Magnesium is like the unsung hero of fluid balance in your body. If you're low on it, and a lot of us are, swelling gets worse. You can get more magnesium naturally from foods like spinach, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. But if that's not cutting it, you can also talk to your doc about taking a supplement, usually somewhere between 200 and 400 milligrams daily. It's a small change that can make a big difference. A few extra tips to keep in your back pocket. Massage your feet. Even just a few minutes helps get fluids moving. Get moving. Walking helps your circulation, which keeps swelling in check. Cut back on salty, processed foods. They're notorious for causing water retention. Wrap up. Let's keep those feet happy. Swollen feet can be a real drag, but with a few easy tweaks, you can start feeling better fast. These 5 remedies are natural, low effort, and totally doable at home. If you've got any go-to tricks of your own, drop them in the comments. Let's help each other out. And hey, if this was helpful, give it a like and share it with someone whose feet could use a break. Catch you in the next one. Stay comfy.